Alright, what's up? Another ride and review. Back at it. Heading to a place called Kai Sushi. It is an omakase joint. I think they do like 13 courses for 85 bucks, which is a pretty good price. Heading to meet the cake dealer. She loves these kind of dinners. They're warming up on me. I don't love them, but because a lot of times I leave and I'm still hungry. But you know, I'm trying to cut down on the snacking, so if I can come out of this meal full and then resist the urge to eat potato chips and nachos and junk food when we get home, then I'm good. This place is close by. It's on 9th Street, I think between like 1st and 2nd. So I'm just cruising up from the Lower East Side. This is Columbia, which will become Avenue D once I cross Houston, which is right up here. And then it's just a matter of cutting across on 9th Street. I think it goes all the way through. There's a park, but I think I can ride through the park. So yeah, omakase. If you don't know what that is, and you haven't seen my other videos, it's when the chef chooses the pieces. Set menu, they just come out piece by piece, usually piece by piece. And oftentimes at like a sushi counter, which is fun. A lot of times now they're mixing it up. They're like making it more modern. I guess not so much like the traditional omakase, which is just like a piece of fish on rice. A lot of times now they're putting like a piece of fish and then uni and then caviar. They're like chefing it up. They're torching, using a blowtorch to sear like some Wagyu beef. So it's been interesting lately. Some good ones. I know they also usually give you a hand roll, which I always tend to like. I don't love seaweed paper, nori, but you know, for some reason those ones work for me. Yeah, let's see if I can get through this park. I don't know if I can. This is it. This is Avenue B. Yeah, I think I can go through here. Yeah, I think this is this Tompkins Square Park? I don't even know. I'm so bad. Yeah, that's a nice run. Cut right through. A little bumpy though. Alright, so that was Avenue A. So coming up on 1st here. It should be, once I cross over 1st Avenue, it should be just up on the left. Oh, we gotta get through this. Don't like getting stuck at all the lights. Alright, let's see. Keeping the eyes out. There it is. Sushi Kai. Right there. See you on the inside. Cheers. No benefit of the doubt. No acknowledgement of like It's pretty. Ooh, that That's the foie and the shrimp. That's a nice one, huh? Pretty. What kind of fish is this? Oh, I like food. Yeah, this case we were doing was ready to break out. Wagyu with uni. Look at that bad boy. Extra hand roll. What was this one? What did I pick again? Kimidai? Kimidai hand roll.
Don't be named next year, okay, my friend?
Thank you. All right, so sushi kai. That was good. I really like it. We got a few extra pieces toward the end. We got a shrimp piece. I got a second hand roll, and then on the house they gave us a little. Come on, what the? On the house they gave us a little bowl, kind of like a chirashi bowl of a little candle on it, because my wife said we were celebrating our anniversary, so that was cool of them. I always like when places pay attention to what you put on your reservation and they go out of their way to do little things like that for you. We also bought some sake, which upped the bill a little bit, but learned when we were there that they do have BYOB, so next time definitely bring my own. Bring a bottle of wine. Favorite pieces: the scallop with caviar on top. The first piece that came out, that was awesome. Also really liked the tuna that had a little bit of truffle on it. The fatty tuna was good too, and that had a little caviar on top. Also really liked the hand rolls. Obviously, I always love the hand rolls. Wagyu and uni was nice, really tender. Let's see what else. There was a foie gras and shrimp piece. That was probably my favorite. Either that or the fatty tuna, I can't decide. Excellent. I will definitely be back to this place. It's close by, it's a good value, and all the pieces are nice. I would say the flavor, I don't know if that was really loud there. I'll say the flavor is probably a little bit better than Matsunori, but Matsunori had larger pieces. So I don't know if that really makes a difference to many people, but I am a little bit hungry. I'll probably snack when I get home. We'll see, but I'm happy. Make sure you jump out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full write-up with all the good photos. As always, thanks for watching. Get out there and like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, with your family. A lot of people are just not paying attention today. And, you know, as always, tell your fucking grandma.